Prayer is the primary duty of man. Stop and think. We have many obligations, and sometimes we have to set priorities in our life because we simply can't get everything done. And so some things have to be set to the side. When we do this, we show what we hold to be most important in our lives. And this is when it becomes very easy to underrate prayer. How many times have I set aside prayer in order to do something else less important? Am I not showing that actually I hold prayer to be less important than what I set aside for? Let us examine ourselves a bit. First of all, we all make time to eat 3 meals a day. This is the modern doctrine that most of us observe. Let us say I had a choice between my morning habit of prayer and breakfast. Which should I choose? Which one do I do? Because I can't do both this one day. And so we can go on looking at things throughout our day. We can come to the end of the day and find out that prayer hasn't even made a dent in it because there are too many other things to be done. And so we come to the end of the day, sit down in front of the computer or television. Don't I need recreation? And then what happens to prayer? It is easy to push it right out the door, and if not, to do it poorly, as the last thing, like, oh, let's get this out of the way and go to bed. And so we're going to prescribe an exercise to make. All you need is some paper, a pen, and a week. Now we are set. Every time you do something, write it down from the moment you get up in the morning to the moment you go to bed at night. After this 168 hours, which is 1 week, sit down and go over the paper, and you will quickly find what you hold to be most important in your life and what things you're letting slide. The results might frighten you. How many men haven't spent any quality time with their wives during the week or with their children? How many women have not spent time with their husbands or their children? And so on. And what about God? Does He get any time at all? Or do we completely forget Him? Oh, how little time we spend with Him. After this exercise, if you're not seriously tempted to haul the TV and the computer to the curb for trash day, then you probably have not looked at your use of time closely enough. After this exam, it is time to overhaul our life and get our priorities straight. If you wish to continue, go to CatholicOnlineSeminary.com for the questions. Thank you, and God bless you.